Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine under the cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars. Now, most of the houses that will be shown are fixer-uppers, but that's okay, they do have a lot of potential. Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course you can always leave a comment letting us know if you enjoyed the video. Let's jump right in. House number 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in Independence City in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 763 square feet and it's on the market for 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the veranda. Next is the living area. This is the kitchen. And we then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Next is the bathroom. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. And that would be the end of house number 1. House number 2. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Willowdean in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 4,084 square feet and it's currently on the market for 17 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the kitchen. For the living and dining area, there were no images provided. Next, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of 3 bathrooms, 2 were shown. Now here we have some images showing the back of the property. And that would be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Mickelton in Linstead, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,800 square feet and it's on the market for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a look. Here we have the veranda. And this is the carport. We then move on to the living area. And here is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. third bedroom, and this is a fourth bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's a first bathroom, and this is a second bathroom. Out of 3 bathrooms, only 2 were shown. We then move from here and head on the outside. That will then end the images for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Mickelton in Linstead, St. Catherine. This house is on the market for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. That will then end house number 4. House number 5. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in Cedar Place in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 4,000 square feet and it's been listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go inside. Here we have the living area. And this is the kitchen. Followed by that is the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. We then move from here and head on the outside. Now this would bring us to the end of house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.